Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get realistic skin in Stable Diffusion. Now, one of the biggest problems with AI generated images is that they look pixel perfect. You can clearly tell that this image has been generated, it's not a real person, or it just looks like a model from like some magazine or something. And in real life, humans don't really look like that. Humans have some imperfections on their skin. They have some pimples, they have some blemishes, they have some dark spots on their face. That's one thing. And the other thing that gives away that it's not a real person is the hair. So in this video, we're going to focus on the skin, and in the next video, we will be working on the hair. Alright, so to do this, we're going to use this Lora called Real Skin Conditioner. I'll leave the link in the description. Now, what it does is it will take your image and add blemishes on top of it. So as you can see over here at -1, it has almost no blemishes. It literally looks like a painting. Whereas if you look at the right side over here, it has you couldn't tell if you didn't focus on the hair that it's an AI generated image. So over here, this one looks really good. Even the hair is difficult to make out, so it almost looks like a real person. Alright, so let's do this now. All you got to do is you go to download this Lora. So you go to this link over here on Civit AI, click on the download options, download this Lora, and then move it to your folder, your Stable Diffusion folder. Go to the models folder and go to Lora and paste it in here. And once you have it, start your Stable Diffusion UI. And once you start it, you should see it in your Lora's tab over here. Alright, so let's try it. I'll give an example of an image without the Lora and one with the Lora. Simple prompt, nothing crazy. I just have these negative prompts. You know what, I'll just remove these as well to keep it simple. Let's just increase the sampling steps to 30, and I want a portrait. Alright, so let's generate. Okay, so you can see over here, thanks to the checkpoint, it does have some blemishes, but still you can make it out that it's an AI generated image. It looks way too perfect. The blemishes do work over here in the checkpoint. This can pass for most people, so that's pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to use this Lora now. Just go to your Lora tab and click on it, and you should see this pop up over here. Now this is your slider over here. The values are -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. Those are the values you have. 1 is the normal activation of the Lora, 2 would be twice as much, and so on. You can put this in negative if you don't want any deformities or any blemishes on the face, or if you want to remove them, so that could work. Now I'm gonna set it to 1 and let's generate this image. Alright, so as you can see over here, instantly you can recognize the skin looks very real. If it weren't for this eye over here, it would be very difficult to tell that this is a AI generated image. So all these deformities over here, you can see even on the neck, the hands, like it's pretty damn good. The only two things that you need to change now are probably the eyes and the hair. Alright, let's do this again. Let's see. Since we don't have any negative prompts, it's difficult to actually control the deformities, but yeah, look at this one. It's pretty damn good. So just for fun, I'll just show you how it would look if you change it to 2 and increase the intensity of the Lora. So alright, so this just makes it look ugly, like straight up weird. Let's set it back to 1 and generate it again. Okay. Right, so there you have it. It's pretty damn good. It works. So I'll tell you a fun story. I actually generated an image, and just to test it out, I sent it to one of my friends and asked them to tell, like, what do you think about this image? And they asked me, like, who is this person? Now this guy is also into Stable Diffusion and AI, and I sent him a picture that I generated previously, and he could instantly tell, yeah, this is made by AI. But one of these images that I sent using this Lora and another few tricks that I made for the hair and the eyes, he couldn't tell that it's a AI generated image. He asked me like, who is this? I was like, what are you talking about? It's an AI generated image. And that was an interesting conversation. So that's what I have for you now. In the next video, we'll talk about the hair and the eyes, which are just as important. But skin is one of the main properties that can differentiate between real and fake. So, alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.